Welcome to my channel. This is a video to give you my latest opinion on this hair, which was a quick and dirty install, as you will recall from my last video, and also just to show you how to keep these curls looking as natural as possible for the longest time. When it comes to hair, I always judge hair on the opinion of two people, my husband and generally strangers. I know that sounds weird, but if a stranger feels the urge to comment on how beautiful your hair is, you've nailed it, because it is not just nice, it is stunning. And I tell you, the number of people that actually stop to say, wow, your hair is gorgeous. These curls just look like my own. Even some of my closer acquaintances were like, oh, is this your natural hair? Have you just dyed your hair? I mean, what a compliment. I have done nothing to the hair since I've installed it. This is the hair with sleeping in it for the past 2 weeks. I've had it in 2 weeks, and you can see it is not got tangled. And I think that's because of the texture of the hair. It's a silky yaki texture, so it doesn't have the same propensity to get, how can I say, matted or tangled like pure yaki texture. So I think that's probably why, but it does have a little bit of tangling at the ends, can you see? But very little. You see, it comes apart quite easily. So the texture is unique and also very good. Now, for those who want to keep the hair in for longer and looking good for longer, it's so simple to maintain. First step, make sure that you just get rid of any elongated bits. So if there's a bit at the end that you don't want, I find it just useful to do this. I mean, I've had this in 2 weeks. It's actually in a high ponytail at the moment. Trim off the ends to give you clean ends, and then to maintain the curls and to keep the texture feeling nice, I'm going to take some water and you're going to wet the hair. Okay, and then quite simply you've got the option of either mousse or conditioner. This is actually a conditioner in the form of a mousse, but it is actually conditioner. And this is not leave-in conditioner, this is just normal conditioner, because unlike with your natural hair where you can't leave normal conditioner in your natural hair, you have to wash it out, you don't have to do the same with synthetic hair. So I'm actually using normal conditioner in my hair. Look at those ringlets go. On this side, I'm going to just show you the effect of a cream conditioner as opposed to a mousse conditioner. I definitely feel that the cream conditioner is heavier than the mousse conditioner and doesn't give as much definition to the curls. So I think mousse is the way forwards, either a mousse conditioner or just styling mousse. And just follow those steps for the whole hair and make those ringlets live. And voila, there you have it. If you do this routine every few days, hair will look good for a long while. So here's a summary: water, conditioner, or a mousse, and you're done. Curls will be soft again. If you want to get more definition, obviously you could use a styler, and a mousse would be better, but I'm looking for it natural. So this does it for me. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.